Welcome, we are OROX. We are producing cutting equipment for cutting room, especially cutting machine like this. This is my colleague Roberto that is taking care of Pakistan, Indian and other markets.
And of course we are happy to welcome you and to welcome our new distributor for this country, which is MSBC. A company that we rely since many years. They are the most skilled technician in the market. That's why we rely on them. I'm sure that you will be happy with us, happy with our machine, happy with MSBC. For sure, I hope that you will be happy to see me next time I'll come to India and Pakistan, and for sure I will pay a visit to your facility. Okay, and be happy to fulfill and satisfy whatever is your requirement or technical features.
So now we are in our showroom in Italy. We have 3 production sites, one in Italy, one in Serbia and one in Turkey. The last created is in Istanbul, in Turkey. More or less our production capacity is 120 machines every year. We have bring our portfolio, we have cutting machine, static or conveyor. We have spreading line with tables, standard, air blowing or conveyor table. And we produce also spreading machine, full automatic spreading machine.
And of course this is our jewels. One of our jewels is one of the only static machine available in the market. Okay, and the benefit of this machine is that you can easily configure it for a very simple tailor requirement, okay, up to a full medium production line. Why? Because with this machine you can just attach or scale the size of the table based on your requirement. Right now it's like a 4 meters machine, but I mean we do have customers that the maximum length is about 36 meters. Okay, so as you see, operate with this machine is just easy as a 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this case we were just simulating a few layers and just to see how is easy and how is smooth the movement of this kind of machine. This kind of machine can easily be operated within a small tailor environment, okay, up to a medium production facility. We're always looking forward to bring technology into our machines. Okay, OROX is one of the only cutting system in the market which integrate a patent pending system based on AI. Okay, so we are always bringing technology in order to help the fulfillment and to help the increasing of production of our customer. Okay, our new features like the autopilot is able, with the thanks of the AI, to identify the kind of product that we are cutting, the thickness of the product and the stiffness of the product, and suggest to the operator the best performance for that kind of operations. Normally what you have to do is to take the first one, the first layer, and the last layer. And you see that is perfect.